Imagine making hot, cheesy pizza at home, in just minutes, with nothing but your air fryer. Start with a simple pizza dough or flatbread base, soft, fresh, and ready to turn into something amazing. Keep your toppings ready: cheese, veggies, chicken, olives, everything you love on your pizza. Now spread a rich layer of pizza sauce. This is where all the flavor begins. Add your favorite toppings one by one, building layers of flavor and texture. And finish it with a generous layer of melting cheese, the real star of the pizza. Carefully place it into the air fryer basket and let the magic begin. In just a few minutes, the cheese melts, the crust turns golden, and the aroma fills your kitchen. Pull it out hot and fresh, crispy on the outside, soft and gooey on the inside. Try different variations: veggie, pepperoni, extra cheese. Every version is a new experience. And finally, serve it on a wooden board, slice it up, and enjoy every bite of your homemade air fryer pizza.